Today, we're looking at how to use imagery and captions on Instagram to inspire people to book. This is Campsites UK, and as you can imagine, they use Instagram as a bit of a shop window, if you like, to show all the different places where they have campsites across the UK. And naturally, what they want to do is capture the picturesque views and things to do when you go to that campsite. Now, this post is no different. What it does is it showcases an absolutely stunning, beautiful sort of summer holiday destination right here in the UK. And then, as you can see, they've got lots of different images and a bit of a carousel. But basically, it's perfect as people who are maybe less likely to want to go abroad still, or it might be that people who just want to do a bit of a staycation. This really, the image really is the showstopper, and it really gives them a window into what it might be like to go and visit Devon. They've then tagged in Devon, so you know that anyone following that location is likely to find it, and anyone, I guess, who's looking for that location through Instagram is going to find it. And then, as you can see here, they really used the timing part of it, so they posted this in January, and then they've done get ready for the hot weather early. So they're talking about, getting you summer ready when, I guess, everyone's maybe feeling a bit miserable at the beginning of the year, especially if they can get a bit of a deal. And then they've done a link in the bio, to basically to go and find out more about booking. So I think the caption really sums up the image. They've given the detail, they've done the showstopper with the image, and then the caption is really inspiring you to book. So really, it's all about making sure that it's directing you to do, there's a call to action, but it's making sure that it's inspiring you enough that would make you go, I want to find out more about this. Now, if I was these guys, I would want to create a group of maybe all the, I don't know, it might be all the campsites, or it might be all the local tourist companies, for example, in the area. Because, if I've got campsites and I'm engaging with them, and I'm engaging with, I don't know, Visit Devon or Visit Cornwall, and it might be, I don't know, like a local ice cream parlour or anything else in the area, then what that will do is it will start to drive more people to my campsites, and it will start to increase my reach and engagement. So I would go to Maybe, and I would go to engagement and create a group. So see here, I've done like a random one here, which is caravan and camping site case studies. And then once you click into it, you will see then all of the content that comes up in that group. So it's any of the most recent ones. So it would be here. So here's just a random holiday part, but you would go in here and you would comment, you might want to retweet it, you might want to do something with regards to, as I said, the local tourist company, or it might be an excursion or something. But the idea is that the more that they engage with them, the more that they can then create content that actually inspires people to book, but then also they're creating reach and engagement within the area as well. Now, as always, if you've got any questions at all, click on the little blue button. We love to help.